Around 612, Muhammad decided himself to be the messenger of Rasul, that he had decided that he is the messenger of God about himself, and Allah alone should be worshipped. So Muhammad was to found a community of believers, ummah, bound by the common set of the religion belief. Now, new community was identified due to the message and due to the thoughts of the Muhammad, and were promised salvation on the day of judgment, that is known as Qayamat. So Makkah, who took offense to the rejection of their details and found new religion as threat to the status and prosperity of Mecca. In 622, Muhammad was forced to migrate with his follower to Medina. So Muhammad's journey from Misa, Hijrah, was turned to point in the history of the Islam, with the years of arrivals in the median making the beginning of the Muslim calendar. Jai Hind students, this is class 11th history, chapter number 4, the Central Islamic Line. H into 32 upon 33 plus 622 is a formula to convert Hijri into Gregorian Christianity calendar, or if we want to change Christianity calendar into Hijri, it means Muslim calendar, then we use this formula C minus 622 multiplied by 32 upon 33 upon 32. So the several of the religion rest on the survival of the community of believers. The consolidation of the protection require political instructions such as states and government, which are either inherited from the past, borrowing from outer side, or created from secret. So this was the system of Muslims. City ongoing a civil strife. The Umayyad was converted into wider community to include philosophists of the Jews of Median under the political leadership of Muhammad. So there were so many Jews who were converted into Muslim community, Muslim religion, and they become the member of Islam. So there were relieving rituals were also happen in this Islamic system, such as fasting and ethical principle, and the community survive on agriculture and trade, as well as almas, tax, zakat. These were taxes which taken by them, and attendant. The Muslims organized expendatory rites on Makkah caravans and nearby Oases. So Makkah was consequent, and Muhammad's reputation as a religious prefertor and political leader separate far and wide. Arabs attach great value to strength and solidarity impressed by the Muhammad's achievements and tries mostly bounded joined the community of converting to Islam. So mostly, so in Islam there were so many community were converted into Islam, and the administrative capitals of the emerging Islam states with Makkah as its religious center. It became the center of Islam.